11 unexpected signs that you have unique body. Each person have character traits peculiar only to him or herself, except of the physique that are, if present and other at all extremely rare. But did you know that our body can possess many unique features too? We are going to tell you about exceptional physical skill and characteristics found in only a teeny percentage of people around the world. By the way, the rarest one is the first one. You all have flexible tongue. Number 11. I mean, you have a flexible tongue. When it comes to flexible tongue skill, certain tongue length and muscle tone are a must. In addition to genetic, the environment can also be a factor in the traits formation. For example, Indians are particularly like to have flexible tongues. Scientists believe that this has to do with their language. The extent of tongue flexibility may vary. Researchers even went as far as to conduct a special study on the subject. 63% of the test participants managed to fold their tongue into a roll. 14% managed to bend it in half, and less than 1% were able to shape their tongue into a triple pipe. I don't know about that, but I can tie a cherry stem in a knot with my tongue. Goes over great at the family picnics. You have movable ears. Number 10. You have movable ears. Approximately 20%, 22% of people on the planet are capable of wiggling one ear, while no more than 18% can do it with both ears. But this was not always so. Our distant ancestors used to be true at making all sorts of movements with these body parts. The fact is that the muscle responsible for ear movement was once well developed in humans but became redundant in the course of evolution. You can wiggle individual toes. Number 9. You have wiggle individual toes. No matter how you try, you would not be able to wiggle each of your toes in turn. That's because only the big toe and the little toe are fitted with individual muscles, while the rest are controlled and messes by just one set of muscles. Most people in the world can easily move their big toes, but only a minority can do it with little toes. Incidentally, some researchers advise women against marrying men who can wiggle their little toes separately from the rest. Such people tend to attach too much importance to their freedom. Watch out, this little piggy wants a divorce. Number 8. Driven tuberals. The protruding segment on the inside of or outside of the ear is called Draven trabulus. The famous scientists once suggested that their feature was the consequences of the fact that early people's ears used to be pointy. It is believed that those who possess their distinction, no more than 10% of the world's population, are better at sensing voice tonality. Such people can also hear high frequency sounds and identify particular sounds even in noisy places. Number 7. Diastema. Diastema is a gap between the fourth teeth occurring in about 20% of humans from the viewpoint of dentists. It's an anomaly that requires a medical intervention. However, many people, including celebrities, think that this feature adds a uniqueness to their image. You can raise one eyebrow. Number 6. You can raise one eyebrow. The ability to raise only one eyebrow depends on how well you can control your facial muscles. People born with this feature often possess the skill to move their ears as well. Scientists believe that early humans were able to wiggle their eyebrows separately, the way certain present day species of monkeys do at the sight of danger. Dimples on the cheeks. Number 5. Dimples on the cheeks possessed by approximately 25% of the world's population. Dimples are a defect in the structure of zygomatic muscles, which is responsible for smiling. In people with these physiological features, a small bundle of the muscle get attached to the bone. As a result, when a person smiles, a portion of the cheek is drawn in outward. Dimples are particularly noticeable with chubby cheeks because fat makes the indentations more pronounced. Do anybody remember Shirley Temple movie? She made $1 billion because of those dimples, holes above the ears. Number four, holes are the above the ears. Approximately 5% of the people on the planet are born with a small hole above one of the both ears. Really, interestingly, in the US, such people constitute less than 1% of population, while in Asia, this distinction is diagnosed in approximately 10% of population. While in Asia, this distinction is diagnosed in approximately 10% of newborns. Scientists are yet to reach a conclusion about the causes of this features formation and the role it plays in the body, but some believe that the holes could be an elementary remnant of fish gills. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.